I'm lovely. I'm excited. How are you?
How is this Diwali special?
I think it's a fantastic occasion for me to be able to come out with a film at a time where the audience has really been waiting to be entertained, and to be released on Choti Diwali is already a blessing. And I hope that the film finds its fate, which I know it will. I'm really happy that the audience has been very receptive of all the teasers, the promotional videos, the trailers, the songs, everything put together, and it's all for them. We work day and night for them, so I'm really happy that today they get to see what we've put together.
How is your character?
My character is unlike what you've seen before. I think ever since I've worked in the Telugu industry, there have been fewer roles where I've de-glamorized myself, such as in Okakshanam. But in this film, it is a very simple girl. She's very relatable. She's hard to understand. She's like a banana, you know, you have to keep peeling and finding shades of her. She doesn't need monitoring, so I really like these qualities about the character, and it's been a fantastic experience shooting on the film because I've not had to focus on hair, makeup after a really long time. My performance is what overtook everything else, and that was the focus.
Tollywood journey.
How is?
Your Tollywood journey.
I honestly love it. I know there are a few people who say, why you're not doing too many films. Yes, of course. But it took me a while, honestly, to also understand who I am as an actor. And I wasn't in a rush, to do back-to-back films. I wanted to find meaning in, what I'm doing always. But hopefully this year, after the release of this film, you will see me more often.
Which is your favorite place, OTT or theatre?
Theatres, of course. I cannot deny that. But I'm really thankful that the OTT trend has now taken forward, because if it wasn't for that, forget the actor part of me, but I also am an audience. I also watch other films. I don't know what I would do through the entire lockdown. So I think every aspect has its plus and minus, and it's only a matter of time till the theatres release and we can actually have the audiences come and experience everything together in unison. Well, I am not 100% sure, but hopefully by December, I think we should have at least some clarity about the theatres. Thank you so much.
Bhanumati iconic character.
Yes, it was. Thank you everyone for giving us so much love. I'm Saloni Rutra, actually a Bhanumati, because everybody calls me Bhanumati here, and I feel so happy for the love, encouragement, and so much support and warm welcome you've given us as a team and me as Bhanumati. Watch Bhanumati on AHA, and I'm so happy and grateful to AHA and the beautiful team behind AHA, all the people behind AHA. Ajit Thakur and everybody who's picked up this film, and Allu Arvind Garu, and for giving us so much love with Bhanumati Ramakrishna. Watch AHA and enjoy our film. Thank you.
Actually, Bhanumati is today's girl.
Yes, yes, yes.
How is portraying that?
Bhanumati is today's girl. She's every time's girl, She's a girl who respects herself. That's why she respects people around her and their choices. And that is what we want to say with keep life simple, keep life happy, like AHA. AHA life lo happiness la unda.
Actually, are you like that in real life?
Yes, yes. It's I'm very, very, very close to Bhanumati. And that's why I enjoyed playing Bhanumati so much. And thank you everyone.
It is a lifetime of every actress actually.
Yes.
That's what beautiful character.
Yes, I'm so happy. Everybody said that it was like a lifetime performance, and I also felt it because it's a realistic story. It's real emotions what a girl goes through, and there is no artificialness. It's the real vulnerability, and I'm so happy we were able to show that to you through Bhanumati Ramakrishna. And I'm Bhanumati in real life. So when this film came to me, I'm like, I have to be a part of this, and yes, thank you for all making me a Bhanumati.
Miss Slim or upper? Cinema చేసినప్పుడు very slim అయ్యారు. You are slim.
Oh yes. So yes, with Bhanumati, they made me put on, my director and my producer, they made me put on 9 kg. So when they saw me, they're like, yeah, you're too thin. We need to make you put on weight. So they told me to put on some weight, but Andhra food and Telangana food is so good. Hyderabadi food is so good that I just couldn't stop. And yes, I put on 9 kgs for Bhanumati. But now here I am without Bhanumati's weight. So everybody started calling me Bhanumati Light is in town. So I'm a Bhanumati Light now. Thank you.
హలో అండి, నేను తరుణ్ భాస్కర్. జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్స్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. హిట్ ద సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నౌ.
హాయ్, దిస్ రాజ్ తరుణ్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్.
హాయ్, దిస్ ఇస్ రఘు కుంజే. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్స్.
హలో అండి, నా పేరు ప్రియా వెట్లమని. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్.
హాయ్ అండి, దిస్ ఇస్ రాహుల్ విజయ్. ప్లీజ్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్స్.